guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. Today I'm really excited. I saw online these Rae Dunn tea containers and they were $20 and $25 a piece. So I found, and I'll show you the little container in a little bit, and I can totally dupe this. So it's going to be so easy. We're going to be using our removable vinyl and it's going to be adorable. I really think it is. I'm going to put it in there on that tray, that metal tray that I hauled from Amazon. Okay, so you can do this if you don't have a Cricut. You could just get letter transfers and transfer it on there that way. It'd be so cute. Okay, so I have my design space loaded here on my computer. I'm going to go to the circle with the plus for new projects. This is going to be so simple, very easy, beginner friendly. Okay, we're going over here to text on the left hand side of the screen. I'm going to click on that. When you do that, up here is font. Now I can't zoom in anymore at this top, but if you hit this downward arrow right there, if you click on that, that will show you your fonts. Now if you click all right here on the right, it will show you everything on your system, which is your computer or your Cricut. System will show you just what's on your computer, and Cricut will show you just what's on your Cricut. I'm going to leave it on all, and I know I want the skinny. I've used this before and I got it for free off of defont.com. I'm going to click on that. It just looks so Rae Dunn to me. Okay, we're just going to type in T. I think this is so adorable, okay? And then I want mine, I've measured my container and I want it to be 3 by 3. I'm pretty sure that's the size. So I'm going up here to size and unlock it. And then for the width, I'm going to backspace. Let me zoom in. Okay, and I want it to be 3.0 for the width. And I want it to be 3.0 for the height, and lock that back. Okay, and I think that looks good, except I want to move this a little closer. I think it's a little too far away. So to do that, we're going to the right side of the layers column here. We're going to hit ungroup, and then we're just going to slide this over a little bit till we get it like we think it needs to be. Okay, now I'm going to put a box back around it, go back to the layers column on the right side, group it together. I might move that a little closer. Let me ungroup again. Look at that. I think I like that. Okay, and then we're going to group it back. All right, then we're going to go up to the right hand corner, make it. It will put it on our mat. You don't want to mirror this because you're going to be using transfer tape. We're going to go to the right bottom corner, continue. My machine is connecting to my computer, and I have the removable vinyl. So let's just browse all materials, and up here we'll type in vinyl in the search box. And let's see if it has just removable. I think it's just premium. I think that's what you use. So we'll just use our premium vinyl, and it puts a check on it. I have it starred as a favorite, okay? So then you just hit done. I'm going to leave my pressure alone, and the next time you see me, we will be cutting out this cute little decal. Okay, here is this container that I have. Many of you may recognize it. A neighbor gave it to us, and it had a little locking mechanism that went around the top, and it has this right here, and you can put a spoon in it, and the spoon was just your regular color. It was like a real light, unfinished. And I wanted it to look darker. So I just took the Waverly Antiquing Wax. You can get it at Walmart or in my Amazon store if you want, if you can't find it. And I, just painted it and wiped it off. Then I had my husband, I wanted the top that looks just like those Rae Dunn ones. So he cut me out a circle, and then an inner circle so it would stay on. And I just took that same, this is just plywood we had left around the house, and I just antiqued it with the Waverly wax, and I think this is looking like an awful good dupe so far, okay? So you'll need your transfer tape, like I said. So we'll scoot this over out of the way, and I'm just going to get some of this and cut it. Normally I use my paper cutter, but I'm just going to look about where 3 inches, and I'm going to go a little bit bigger than that. And here's my Cricut black removable vinyl, and it says removable vinyl on the inside. It always say whether it's premium or removable. I have my Lightgrip mat here. Going to apply this face up. Put it into my machine and load it with the blinking arrow, and then we'll cut with the blinking C. This won't take any time. Now while that's cutting, anytime you apply vinyl on anything like this, glass, anything besides wood, you need to clean it, and you have to clean it with rubbing alcohol first. So that's what I'm going to do. I just get these little rounds, cotton rounds. It dries really quickly. And I'm just going to clean this right along through here. Make sure I get it wherever I think it may end up. And a little bit beyond, just in case. Then I'll just dry it off. But it won't take any time, and it will dry, okay? Now we're going to eject this with the blinking arrow. To weed this is so... And I'm going to be using my Dollar Tree weeder. Really do love that. So to weed this, you just go in here and pull away everything that you do not want. Okay, and I could have cut that down a little more. And then we're going to take this out of the center of the A. Look at this. So Rae Dunn. Love it. Okay, then we're going to take our transfer tape, peel it off. It broke. I can't believe it broke. Going to stand up, apply it with my little scraper. Then if you peel from backwards, sometimes it really makes it easier to get that to release. I'm going to put 2 of my paint jars down, or I could get those rollers, but they're not in here. I want it in the center. Okay, let's take a look. Well, here it is. I don't know what you think, but I think it's a pretty good dupe for a Rae Dunn container that holds your tea. And back here is the little spoon. You could put coffee in it if you wanted, and put coffee on here, whatever. But I think it's so adorable. The top comes off and goes right down in there. I love this. You could sell these. You could go to thrift stores and look for this container and then just sell it. But I think it is so adorable. adorable. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you, and then I will put this in there in my container and let you see what it looks like. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So let me go get Sleeping Beauty. Okay, well, here she is. She says, oh, what all does mommy have out? She says, I so sleepy. Say, I so sleepy. Okay, let's go take a look and see how this looks in my kitchen. Okay, here it is. This is how I have this styled right now. I have my little rolling pin that I made with my Cricut, and that sign that I made with my Cricut, and I just put that $5 piece of decor I got at Target's Dollar Spot in there with that greenery, and I think it's so cute. But I'm going to move this out. Take this lid off for now. Put this right in here. And look at that. I love it. It really looks like I have purchased a Rae Dunn tea container. I love it. It's so easy to dupe this stuff, and it didn't cost me hardly anything because we already had the wood. We have tons of wood. But I think this is a cute little thing to do with your Cricut. You could give them as gifts. Make a wonderful, any kind of gift. Birthday. It's going to be too late for Mother's Day for this, which I hope you all had a wonderful Mother's Day. I'm filming this on Friday, so it's before Mother's Day. But I hope everyone had a wonderful Mother's Day. So let me give you a look again. So until next time, bye guys.